Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for subscribing. Guys, please subscribe to this channel as we try to reach 50k by the end of 2024. Right now it's less than a month. If this trend continues, we are not gonna make it because the subscriber count will keep dropping. Yeah, so please subscribe. More content coming soon. It's already past 90 days since my demonetization. After 90 days, I can finally reapply it. And if you want to know in detail, please watch this video. I'm going to put it somewhere here, okay? Basically, long story short, my channel got reused content and YouTube demonetized my whole channel. This 90 days is quite challenging for me, as YouTube is my major source of income. Definitely affected my health, financially, mentally, everything, and a lot of self-doubt because I lose this major income. But I try to think positively, and I'm glad I did. That's why you can see, even though the channel got demonetized, I still upload a video for long content every month, at least one video, and the YouTube shorts, at least multiple of them per month. I'm gonna look through my channel, and I know there are shorts that violated the policy. Some I'm not so sure because YouTube didn't really tell you which video got problem, and they never warned me. Now it was September. I was looking at my YouTube analytics as usual, just scrolling around, and then suddenly the demonetized label just pop up, and I was shocked. So that's how it happens. I'm gonna delete some videos, and it just happened too out of sudden. But anyways, time to move on. I learned my lesson. YouTube is a private company. They have their own rules. We have to follow it as a content creator. If you want to make a living on the platform, YouTube, you have to follow it. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel here. Like I said, I've been publishing more videos even though my channel got demonetized for the past 90 days. Yeah, so now just take a look. These are the more obvious one, that we're gonna delete it. All the Starman meme series shorts. Yeah, so these are, I'm gonna delete. It's not just about the views, man, and the likes and the money. It's also the comment that you guys share a lot of your thoughts, like wholesome comment. Of course, there are some hateful comments, but 90% of the comments are really wholesome, really positive. You guys praising the people here, doing good things, and yeah, there are still good people out there. I'm just a messenger to try to spread the positivity and what they did. Try to praise them, and apparently just violate the YouTube rules. I have to follow it. It is what it is, and these gonna be deleted. And for now, just move on. I have tons of videos gonna publish it once my channel got back monetized again, and continue make more quality contents for you guys. Expect more tech videos, unboxing, vlogs, also memes for the shorts. I'll make more. I have a lot of ideas. Just plan out. These I'm sure. These two I'm sure. These three, I'm really not sure. Okay, because I didn't invent the memes, the format, but then so I come out with the idea. But then better be safe than sorry. I'll be deleting these three also. The Mom versus Dad Delight series. Yeah, then they delete it. Yeah, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 YouTube shorts will be deleted. And yeah, without further ado, let's come here. I already downloaded all the shorts that I mentioned, so I can just click delete straight away. All right, it's tough, but yeah. It has to be done. Okay, three of them delete. Fine. Okay, delete. If you delete one by one, it's actually faster than you select all. But anyways, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Gonna click all. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, 9. Yeah. Gonna say goodbye, man. Thanks for those who stay, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. And yeah, that's all I can say for now. I'll be making more content, like I said, more quality one. So delete forever. Yeah, I understand. Yes. Oh, one more. Yeah, forgot this. Then just delete straight away. Okay. So after the deletion, I have 175 shots left. Yeah, it take a while. I'm not sure I'll keep this. I'll cut straight away. All right. Okay, it's gone now. It's done. All right. So let me refresh it. I used to have like 387 videos, long and short content. Now refresh. Boom. 373 left. Okay. So let's click the popular. Yeah, it's all gone. Yeah. This is what left. And now go to the YouTube channel monetization policy. Okay, so they will check because there's so many people applying for the monetization. They are not gonna check through every single video. So these are the main one that will check the main team, most viewed content, videos, newest, big portion of the watch time, etc., etc. They might check other stuff, but these are the main one. Okay, so make sure follow all the rules, like don't post repetitious content or reuse content. This is a big no. Yeah, I learned that. Okay, content that violates this guideline would take away, the monetization. So after look through that, go to earn. Like I said, I did like fight back, submit the appeal video, and this is what I got. Video reference in your appeal are not representative of your channel. So I did show some of my videos, like my creative process. I did explain a bit like what my channel is doing, but maybe it's not in detail enough for them. So if you want to repeal, make sure you go through all the detail of your channel overall, every single one. Try your best, instead of like showing just a few videos. I show few videos. Apparently, that's not enough. Yeah, so learn from my mistake. And yeah, I got hit by the reuse content Starman one. Yeah, so don't do that. Yeah. So now, gonna hit reapply, and it would take around 1 month for them to check, and they will update you whether you able to get into the monetization or not. If they say no, you still are not eligible, then you need to wait for another 30 days and so on. Okay, so let's click reapply. Oh, okay, so that's it. Once you click it, under review, typically within a month, we email the decision to your email address. Yeah, YouTube will do that. So there you have it. That's the whole process of how you reapply monetization in 2024. So please pray for me that my channel will get back to the YPP, YouTube Partners Program, and start monetize again. Thanks for watching. Once again, remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Share this video to your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.